Hi guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back with another video. This time, we're going to be unboxing the first mirrorless camera on Big Phil TV. This is a Sony a7 Mark III, one of the best mirrorless camera of 2019. So, this camera, the price is around... Hi guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back to another video. This time, we're going to be unboxing the first mirrorless camera on Big Phil TV channel. This is a Sony a7 Mark III, and it's one of the best mirrorless camera out there and one of the best camera of 2019. This camera costs $2,000 US, so it's very expensive, but I believe it's going to be the best camera I'll be using on this channel. So this is going to be my new video camera, photos and everything. And if you want to be seeing more footage or photos from this camera, then you have to follow me on Instagram, Big Phil TV, or Facebook, Big Phil TV. The link in the description below. So without wasting much time, let's get into the unboxing. Let's go through some of the information about the camera found in the box. On one side, that's the brand, Sony a7 Mark III, the best product of 2018-2019, World Award. And on this other side, the lens. This camera comes with a 28 by 70 millimeter lens. On this side, there are more information. This is a Sony Exmor sensor, 4K video at 30 frames per second. I wish it was 60 frames per second, but it's not bad. Dolby Atmos is there, Wi-Fi certified, NFC. You know, for those who own Android devices, there's an NFC. Bluetooth and other stuff, HDMI, all the other stuff, everything is there right here. You can pause the video and read it for yourself. And on the other side, nothing more on the top. Now let's get into the unboxing. We're going to start by cutting this seal right here. Okay, there we go. On one side, the quick start guide. Holy moly, this is a lot. Damn. There's a lot of books, and I don't think I'll ever read this. There are just too many. Put them on the side. On the other compartment, these are the AC. We have 1, 2, and 3. 3 different types of AC. That's good. And on the next compartment at the bottom, there is the neck strap, please. This is what we'll be using to carry up the camera, because this camera is freaking expensive. So you got to protect it the best way possible. So this is good. This is from Sony a7. Put it on the side. The next thing is, okay, on this other compartment, this is the camera. Sony a7 Mark III. Beautiful. Nice weight. It's not too heavy. Really nice. Let's put it on the side. We check out the other compartment. On this side, there is this is the cover for the lens, and here is the lens, 28 by 70. This is not the best. This is just a normal lens, but I'll be getting, with time, I'll be getting more better lens for autofocus, zoom, and portrait lenses. So I'll be getting more better lenses in the future. This one is just a normal lens, nothing more on it. And on this other compartment, there is the adapter for charging. The charging adapter is right here. On one side is USB-A, and the other side is the plug. What else do we have in the box? And right here is the battery. And wow, this is huge. As compared to the battery of the a7 Mark II, the a7 Mark III battery is really great, large, huge, and heavy. Let's put it on the side. And what else is in the box? Okay, so this is going to be the charging cable, where you're going to be connecting the USB type A right here, and micro USB for the charging. And I think That's all. Okay, that's all about everything that comes in the box. Let's put it on the side and talk more about the camera. This is what you get in the box. The camera, Sony a7 Mark III. The lens, 28 by 70. The lens cover, some quick start guide, a lot of it. The battery, adapter for charging, 3 different type of AC, and a neck strap. So that's everything you get from the box. Now let's talk about the camera. And the first thing I'm going to say, the first impression is that it's very light as compared to a big professional camera. This is very light. I like the weight on it. This is going to be easy to carry around, taking videos, photos, and vlogging. This is a great camera. On the front, that's how it looks like. Nothing much on the front. On one side, there is the microphone input. And on the other one, headphone, HDMI, that's a mini HDMI. The next is a USB Type-C and a multiple plug. That's it. On the back, that's how the back looks like. So the screen, you can pull out the screen and it tilt front just like this. You can tilt the screen, the bottom, so you can put it like this if you're taking photo, or just like this. So I wish it was able to tilt on the side, especially if you're vlogging, you can see yourself, but this is not, it doesn't, just on 2 directions, upward or downward. There are also other buttons right here. This is like a joystick for moving around the autofocus. And on this other side, there is the NFC for easy pairing. And this slot right here, there are 2 SD card slots. So this is good. As you can see, I got 2 SD cards right here. You put it one on the top and one on the bottom. It's a normal SD card. You put one on the bottom. This is great because you will never run out of memory. The fact that it has 2 SD card slot is awesome. You will never run out of memory. So you simply close it just like this. The bottom, this is where you're going to mount a tripod. And another slot right here, you put the battery. Let's put it in for the first time. Just like this. And close it. So that's it. I'm not really sure the battery is charged. Let's try to. Nah, the battery is empty. So I'm going to charge it, then I check it more. So on the top, that's it. There is a viewfinder right here as a viewfinder. So you can either use the screen or the viewfinder. But I prefer this, especially on a broad daylight. It's easy to see the subject on the viewfinder. But this one is like when you're in a dark environment, it's easy to use the screen. The screen is 3.2 inches, very little. It's not big, it's not huge. And right here, these are the places where you're going to hook the neck strap. Let's try it out. I don't know, this is going to take a while. So that's it. On the top is where you're going to hook or connect a flash, an external flash. There is no built-in flash on this camera, so you have to attach an external flash on it, just like this. And these are the different modes on the top right here. And there's the C1 and C2. So we're going to find out 4K video. This is where you turn it on and off. Very simple. And that's it. Now let's put the lens on it for the first time. So we're going to take off this cover. So I forgot to mention, this is a full frame sensor. So this is going to be great for photos because the sensor is a full frame. And take off this other cover on the lens, just like this. And we connect it for the first time. And there we go. So this is how it looks like with the lens on it. That's it. That's how it looks like with the lens. Even with the lens attached on it, the weight is still very good. It's not heavy as most cameras out there. I'm not someone who loves carrying heavy cameras. I love compact stuff, and this is great. And this is a professional camera, mirrorless. It's not just a normal compact camera. This is a great professional camera. So I'll be using this camera for everything. You can follow me on Instagram at BigPhilTV or Facebook at BigPhilTV if you want to see more photos or more footage from this camera. So that's it. And how it looks like. So stay tuned for more videos coming up. I'm gonna be doing a review about this camera very soon. I'm gonna try out a lot of things about it. Then we're gonna get back and talk more about the camera, talk about the setup, what to do in case you bought this type of camera, what are the initial setup about the camera. So stay tuned for all those videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notification and follow me on Instagram, BigPhilTV, Facebook, BigPhilTV, and see you into the next one. Peace.